Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing something a little different today. We're going to be doing the brakes on my 2016 Silverado. This thing has been the workhorse behind the channel. It's got about 168,000 miles on it. I bought the Extreme tow package, power stop setup. So we'll just go through, do new shims, gaskets, everything. I didn't opt for new calipers just because why replace them if I don't have to yet? It's more money. I did pay for these, so not sponsored. Last year I did the shocks on the truck, did the Bilstein, bought a whole spring compressor myself actually and did them myself because nobody in my town wanted to do them. So these are the brakes. I think what I'm going to do is actually scuff up these, and I want to respray it black just to clean it up. Yep. To be honest, I'm not really too worried about overspray on any of this shit, so not winning any trophies, just cleaning up some brown shit. Time for a new pair of gloves. Well, shoot. Yeah, still had some life on it, but it stops like shit now, so. I'm gonna go scuff this up, give it some paint, and we'll be back for it. Wow. Welcome to Ohio, folks. Bearing feels good. You should be. This is my refillable brake parts cleaner. I just fill it up and then put some air pressure in it and it goes. It's cheaper than buying the bottles, but you never realize how much brake cleaner you want to use until you got a 32-ounce jar of it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn the truck around and do the other side. Might be a little quicker to do it off camera, but looks like a storm's rolling in, so I'll try to finish this up pretty quick. Alrighty, well that might have taken a little longer than I estimated, but going through and doing some rust preventative work. Hopefully that works out. We'll probably be replacing calipers if I still have the truck another, 50,000 miles. Some light here. On the other note is I do have a slight aging axle boot, just starting to show the early signs of some grease coming out. Keep an eye on that. I threw some RTV on it just as a band-aid. Might replace that probably coming up in the next year as well. But otherwise, I got every use of those brake pads out. If you want to see more car content on the channel, let me know. I'd like to start incorporating more of that on the channel anyhow, and kind of have a better mixture of what I used to do. But with that said, thanks for watching. Take it easy.